picnic now. With the big. That's the big team that got the bug. Like some. We're gonna try to find somewhere to go and chill.
Playing ducks and drakes. Okay, we are playing ducks and drakes near the lake. There is a lake, right? But one important thing that please be careful, be safe. Okay?
Okay.
You play stones, but don't play yourself. Don't jump into the water. Okay. All right, now let's begin to play ducks and drakes. 1, 2, 3, come on!
Isaac, who's that? Is that you?
Sir.
Okay. Try again.
Let's play ducks and drakes. I see 1, 2, 3, and then
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, come on!
手现在不要在下面。
那如果已经碰到了呢？
已经碰了。
What are you doing?
We are eating watermelons.
Wow, it's so great.
Thank
Is
you.
it sweet?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, it's pretty sweet, right?
哎呀，你
Siri, 真的吗？
狗狗也要吃瓜。狗狗说：“凭什么你们吃瓜，我不能吃瓜？”
Let's go and we'll find you. You come to my house, okay? Say hello. Hi.
How are you?
You're my new friend, right? You're gonna come to my house, okay? Good dog. Okay. Let's go and we'll find you. You come to my house, okay? Say hello. Hi.
How are you?
You're my new friend, right? You're gonna come to my house, okay? Good dog. Okay. I need some pictures with you. Okay. I saw we have a dog here. This is the watermelon eating dog. Ate a lot of watermelon. And we had a lot of... Okay, I'll let it go, let it go. 这样教你了，这样教你。
啊，他找我。
OK， 你妈妈在这，接着妈妈。OK。OK， finish 了。
经不住美食的诱惑。跳下，跳，跳，跳！我吃胖了，再看你怎么吃。咬咬，大口。吃了我跟你要救命！笑不让我吃。
他生气了。
OK， 来，我们 standing line。
哎，我崩了3个。
OK。OK， 来，我们 standing line。
好了，我去打羽毛球了，终于打。
哇。OK， 来，我们 standing line。哇哦！哇哦！
经不住美食的诱惑。跳下，跳，跳，跳！我吃胖了，再看你怎么吃。咬咬，大口。吃了我跟你要救命！笑不让我吃。
他生气了。Guys, I'm eating watermelon. My dog is also eating watermelon. Imagine.
这叫啥呀？啊？你的妈的不好吃，需要钱买一个保险。是吗
It's so lovely. Do you still have your bed? Do you still have your bed? Where are they?
Hey, 清风, what are you doing? Are you eating watermelon? Wow, is it sweet?
Yeah.
Wow, 清风. You are so cute, 清风. Wow.
You guys are
But
sitting here.
it is also good, I think, and it always have a lot of.
That's the beautiful sunset over there.
All right.
Sunset here.
Finished.
I think play with water is very interesting.
Okay, Isaac, a quick one.
Which part is very
Interesting. About this car?
interesting for you?
Well, I enjoy eating watermelon. Watermelon is very sweet and I like it so much.
Okay, good. Okay, Oliver,
I enjoy
I enjoy
dog and drinks.
Playing duck.
playing duck and tricks.
Dog and drinks too.
Okay.
Because playing it, I feel
I thought?
very happy and very excited because I never played dog and drinks with my friends before.
Oh, cool.
So this time I was very excited.
Pain. 你不疼吗？舒服吗？ Hey guys, so we just finished the picnic at the riverside and now it's time to go back home. It's still spring and I need to move and I'm just trying to keep some memories. 我要做一个记录，就是今天出去玩。So it's time to go. I'm in the car. Goodbye. Hey guys, I just came back from the picnic and we came here to just go for dinner. I'm with Isaac here. Yeah. Just came to this beautiful place and we go for dinner. We're going for dinner at this beautiful place. My friends are anyhow. I'm also looking for my friend. Thank you. So we're trying to have dinner here.
你们还没过来吗？
Here, the fish looks so good. Tell me, what's the name of this fish? Fish?
I don't know.
还没开餐呢，还没开呢。
什么？
我哪知道？
You're gonna eat the hot pot. 我不就穿几轮裙子多了菜。
我问我老婆，我的爱好者，我老婆说，
你不要往边边坐，因为我坐往中间。
拍照。
没关系，没关系的。
没有。
我先开。
会开吧啊，开这个，对，我帮人家。好的。
你是今天的伙夫。
没事，你弄你的，不要担心。
啊，你说胖头鱼我知道。
你好，帅哥。
没事，你直接放，我要。
这个筷子要碰一下。
好。
这个要碰。
This is big head. This fish is called big head.
A big head.
Big head. 用语叫 big head 大头。Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
鱼还挺大的。
She's the chef.
这么大一票，得有6斤吧？
那得分。
我们没有进口。
我们没有进口，我们俩没进口，我们都没有。
啥都能吃。你说奇迹朋友，Welcome to 奇迹。English。Welcome to 奇迹。相信你没有。
So after putting in all the vegetables in the hot pot, we go with this.
来巧克力。
This one. I don't need the nuts. Okay, it's okay. She's the professor. Chef professor.
我那个呢？你哪个嘞？
没事，你不用。Everyone. Yeah, we drink. 张老师来。张老师，你能拉不？可以。张老师拉我来没事。可以。我这是一个。
That's how they make the noodles. You just put them in trying to put some. Yeah. This is not the actual hot pot like we should for the hot pot. You can eat some noodles. You can also eat some other vegetables like that over there. 明天中午哦，早饭不要吃吧？
你明天下午4点钟直接吃一顿。
Potatoes.
对。
平时不吃米饭的人，我今天晚上吃2个。我也吃一个。
So everybody's so excited and happy. Finish eating, like everything is done now. Hi everybody. Cheers. We end the meal today. Okay, Lian, made it hard. 聊咋的呀？再见。